Hey folks, happy Monday. Today we are going to be talking about Schrodinger's box and how it relates to the atom. Okay, so a while ago there was this guy named Schrodinger, and he had a box. Surprise, surprise. He also had a cat. And one day Schrodinger put his cat in the box because the cat was being naughty. And he forgot about it for like 3 days. And after the 3 days, he was thinking to himself, what happened to my cat? And he's like, uh-oh. And he realized that he'd left the cat in the box for the past 3 days. So he rushed over to the box, and he realized that in this moment, he couldn't tell what was in the box. Was it an alive cat? Was it a dead cat? He didn't really know because he couldn't see inside the box. And that really relates to our understanding of the atom because we can't see inside the atom. We can barely see the atom itself. And so what we've done over the past several hundred years is we've done experiments on the atom to try and figure out what exactly does the atom look like, what's inside the atom, without ever willing to see what it is, what's inside the box.
Hey, honey,
Yeah,
I found this box. Do you know what's in it?
I have no idea.
Well,
Do you?
no. Did you put something in it?
No. What do you think is in the box?
Well, I have no idea.
I mean,
It's kind of small.
do you think we could have fit a textbook in it?
Well, the textbook is bigger than the box, so I think probably not.
Probably not a textbook, right? Great textbook. Okay, so we couldn't fit the textbook in it. What are some other experiments we could do to try and figure out what's inside the box?
I mean, that textbook was pretty heavy, and this box seems kind of light. What if we weigh the box?
Sure, we've got our handy dandy scale of science. Let's try it out. Okay, give it a shot. So I would show you guys the reading on this. It just doesn't show up very well because it's super lit up and things like that, and it doesn't show well on the camera. But honey, would you mind reading that for us? What does it say?
It says 1.78 pounds.
Okay, so we know that whatever's inside this box weighs less than 2 pounds. What could it be? Are there any other ways that we could try and figure out what's inside the box?
I mean, what if I shake it?
Okay, so I can hear something moving inside of it. That kind of gives me some clues as to what's inside the box. So, what do you guys think? What do you think is inside the box? It's kind of tricky, right? Because what scientists have figured out over the past several hundred years is that while we can do a lot of experiments with the atom, with the box, we'll never really know what's inside the box unless we break it, right? If Schrodinger actually opened the box to see if the cat was dead or alive, he would then know what was inside the box. So let's do it. Let's open the box. Let's see what's inside it. Let's break the box open. Excellent taping job. Nice. And it's a pottery mug. Okay. And so this is what scientists did with the atom. What we did was we took the box and we took the atom and we put it into this thing called a particle accelerator. And we sent that atom accelerating really darn close to the speed of light through this particle accelerator and smashed it into a wall. And it splintered, it fractured it up into a bunch of different pieces. And from the pieces, we were able to learn a lot about what the atom is like. Just like if I had taken this box and I'd thrown it against the ground, I would have seen pottery shards inside the box. I would have known that there was pottery inside the box before I smashed it. That's exactly what scientists are doing with the atom. Cool. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you next time. Bye now.